Hey guys, it's Cindy, and today I want to talk about my favorite organ in the whole body, and it is the brain. This is because it's just so fascinating. It's very complex and very powerful in the fact that it controls every part of the whole body. So the brain is made up of a number of lobes and parts, which controls different parts of the body. However, specifically, my favorite part is the cerebellum, and this is because although the cerebellum accounts for approximately 10% of the brain's volume, it actually contains over 50% of the total number of neurons in the brain. This part of the brain is responsible for coordinating voluntary movements. It's also responsible for several other functions as well, including motor skills, such as balance, coordination, and posture. So the cerebellum works closely with the spinal cord and nervous system, from which it receives signals, and it makes smooth and balanced activity possible. So what happens when our spine misaligns, it can interfere with these signals, resulting in loss of equilibrium, and that can result in problems with voluntary movement and disruptions to the whole body movement and coordination. There's actually a lot of research into this brain and body connection. So Nobel Prize recipient for brain research, Dr. Roger Sperry, he's noted that 90% of the stimulation and nutrition to the brain is generated by the movement of the spine, and better than 90% of the energy output of the brain is used in relating the physical body in its gravitational field. So the more mechanically distorted a person is, the less energy available there is for thinking, metabolism, and healing. So basically, in simple words, this means that optimal brain function depends on proper balance, posture, coordination, and movement, and this all starts from having a healthy spine. Another amazing research study done is the destructive impact of abnormal posture research study. This study was published in a really reputable journal, the Medical Journal of Spine, in 2005, so a little bit of a while ago. And this research was actually done by a team of all medical doctors. It was headed by Dr. Stephen Glassman. So in this study, they measured posture in 752 people from the sagittal plane using 4 spine x-rays. And then they took measurements from the C7 and took plumb line measurements as it relates to the sacrum. And the results were just astounding. All measures of health status showed significantly poorer scores as posture deviations increased. So that means even minor forward head posture was shown to be detrimental. And things from breathing and heart rate to pain and disability, all health markers that were measured worsened as posture deviations increased. So this again clearly demonstrates the relationship between poor spinal hygiene and its implications on human health, particularly as it relates to non-musculoskeletal physiology as well. But good news, fortunately, chiropractic adjustments help to restore posture by improving motion and spinal integrity, which improves afferent input into the spinal cord and brain, therefore allowing the body to comprehend and balance itself better in relation to gravity. In summary, poor spinal hygiene plays a major role in bad posture, and this study really reveals the detrimental effects of deviated posture in a human. So it's really important you have a healthy spine and good posture. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.